Go are you? I'm going to need 4 stringers for these stairs. The rise on each stringer is 6 3/4. So what I did right here, measure 6 3/4. We're good. Only problem is I have at least a 3/4 space right here. 3/4 space? Almost an inch space right here. This tread is not level, as you can see. I'm gonna cut some off here and cut it on an angle, I guess, to the point so this can sit flush. I'm using Simpson Strong Tie. What model is this? LSCZ stringer connectors. Instead of using the nails, I'm using the 9 by 1.5 inch screws. I'm not using the nails because nails don't have that good of a grip for me. And I just like screws better. So that's what I'm doing. However, with the screws, since the screws don't sit flush, it leaves about an eighth of an inch gap. But I mean, that's not that bad. No one's gonna see it. It's gonna be fine. Now I'm just gonna fill in all the screws in all these holes. Still working on the stringers. Alright, so the strings are attached. Got this 2x4. I toe-nailed it. Toe-nailed the strings into this 2x4. And so we're going to install the sleeve anchors. These sleeve anchors. Sleeve anchors right here. One here, one there, one over there. I measured the distance halfway between each stringer. Marked it. So one here, one there, one there. So 3 sleeve anchors. I'm going to have to use 14 metric. I'm also using concrete carbide hammer drill bit. See the stringers? Spacing is actually 49.5 from the outside of the stringer to the outside of this steps. From that side of the stringer to this side of the stringer. The stringers are 16 inches on center. They're attached with Simpson Strong Tie stringer connectors. I used 5/4 decking. Remember earlier, I put this 2x4 in here, and I used the sleeve anchor to attach the stairs to the concrete pad. I guess the only other thing is I wish I had made the concrete pad bigger. If it was bigger, it just have more space for people to walk on, to step down onto. But it was my first time. I have 6 inches back there that's not being utilized. Wish I could have had these 6 inches up in the front, but I mean, it is what it is.